Hello, in this video we are going to expand our knowledge on lists. So we covered lists briefly in the different variable types, and let's just simply create a little list here. So we're going to call it list number one, and let's just form our list like so. So we're gonna have, let's say, 1 2 3. Now let's just have some variables, some strings. World 4 5 and 6. Okay, so we have this right here, and we can print this off using print list number one. We could print a specific value from the list by doing print list number one. Let's say if we wanted the third value, we would put 2 because everything starts at 0, and you can print off multiple sets as well. Something like this: if you did 0 colon 4, you'll cover print out the 0 to the 4th list of items. And we covered that in the string video previously, so, and in the variable types video, so feel free to go and check that out for more information. If we run this, so far this should all seem familiar. We've done all of this sort of stuff before. We get an error. Let's have a look. Put a full stop there. So if we rerun this, see what we get. So we get the value of 3 when we print out the third value. Okay, so what if we want to update our value? So if we want to update the first value, first of all, let's just print out the first value first, and then we will update it and print it out again to show you that it's been updated. To update it, you just do list number one, and you specify what particular index you want to update the value at, so 0 for me, equals, now I'm going to put Bob, and now if I copy this, and if I run it, see what we get. There we go. And so it's 1 initially, and then it gets changed to Bob. You might be thinking, how do we delete a list item? Very simple as well. So this is update access delete. So it's delete one. If we copy that, so you can see what it looks like before we've deleted it. Now if I do del, short for delete. Now if I put list number one, so the name of the list, and now which one we want to delete. So if I want to delete the second one, I'll put 1, print this out again, go back, click run, scroll down. As you can see, it has number 2 is no longer there because it's been deleted. The second value has been deleted from it, and 1 was Bob because we updated it right here, and those changes still persisted. So let's take a look at some list operations. Again, as I've said in other videos, there's so many. I'm only just going to cover with 1 or 2, but you can see all the others in a link that I provide. So basic list operations. So one operation you can do is to check the length of the list. So how many elements there are, how many pieces of information. So you just put print and you put len, and now you specify the list. So list number 1, and you click run. And as you can see, you say 7 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Would have been 8 if we had placed it before the delete line. So the len method is a built-in list method that provides the total length, and there's a bunch of other methods like max, which returns from the list the max value. There's obviously a minimum one. You can convert a tuple into a list using the list method as well. There's one for appending objects to the list, for inserting objects. There's a whole heap of stuff. There's also stuff for indexing, slicing, and using matrices for lists. And like I said, I'll provide a link in the description so you can cover all of the extras, but it's essentially just what we've already covered with a few extra nuances. So if you understand what's in this video, you're all good to go with lists in Python. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.